Introducing the KRUPS Fast Touch Stainless Steel Coffee and Spice Grinder, a versatile and efficient appliance designed to elevate your daily coffee and culinary experiences. This sleek and powerful grinder embodies KRUPS' commitment to precision and innovation, providing a convenient solution for transforming whole coffee beans and spices into finely ground textures with just a touch. With its durable stainless steel construction, intuitive design, and rapid grinding capabilities, the KRUPS Fast Touch Grinder is a must-have kitchen companion for coffee enthusiasts and culinary aficionados alike. Join us on a journey of flavor exploration and convenience as we delve into the features that make this grinder an indispensable tool for enhancing your culinary creations. Introduction. When it comes to culinary excellence and coffee connoisseurs, the KRUPS Fast Touch Stainless Steel Coffee and Spice Grinder stands as a beacon of precision and convenience. Designed to cater to the discerning tastes of those who appreciate the subtle nuances of freshly ground coffee and spices, this powerful machine promises to redefine your daily grind, both literally and figuratively. Grinding mastery. At the heart of the KRUPS Fast Touch Grinder is a strong stainless steel construction that not only increases durability but also ensures a consistent grind every time. Whether you're indulging in the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee beans or experimenting with exotic spice blends, this grinder offers a texture that unlocks the full potential of your ingredients. Versatility personality. This device transcends the boundaries of a conventional coffee grinder and seamlessly transforms into a spice maestro. From peppercorns to cinnamon sticks, the KRUPS Fast Touch Grinder adapts to a myriad of spices, ensuring that each ingredient maintains its distinct flavor profile. This versatility opens up a world of possibilities in the kitchen, empowering you to create dishes that resonate with depth and complexity. Design elegance. The KRUPS Fast Touch Grinder is not only functional, it also impresses your kitchen countertop with its sleek and modern design. The stainless steel exterior not only adds a touch of sophistication but also ensures easy maintenance and longevity. Compact and space-efficient, this grinder integrates seamlessly into any kitchen setup, becoming a stylish extension of your cooking toolkit. Conclusion. In conclusion, the KRUPS Fast Touch Stainless Steel Coffee and Spice Grinder is a game-changer for enthusiasts who appreciate the transformative power of freshly ground ingredients. Its marriage of functionality, versatility, and design elegance makes it an outstanding tool in the kitchen essentials. Enhance your everyday recipes and culinary creations with the precision and convenience this grinder brings to your fingertips, a testament to KRUPS' commitment to improving the art of flavor.